the girl's sexuality in 3 to 9 years age. This is extension of the childhood, and this is a very crucial period of childhood where she learns everything, the behavior of others and how she has to behave with others. As a girl, what are the activities expected, the toys given to her, the dressing up, and telling about the gender role. All these things happen in that age. But now, of course, there is no difference between the boy and the girl, and all the things which the boy can do, the girl also can do. So, whenever there is both a girl and a boy in the house, they should make them do all the things which a boy should be made to do all the things which girl can do, and a girl should be made to do all things which a boy. Because most of the time, lots of don'ts. Don't do this, don't sit like that, and don't cry like that, don't behave like that, and cover it like that. All these things will start at this age. So she also learns what is appropriate behavior, how she has to cover herself, what she can talk, what she should not talk. All the things start developing at this age. So by 9 years, we can, because most of the girls these days they are attaining menarche by around 10 years, 10 to 12 years. So this is also become when she reaches about 8, 9 years, when the body changes start appearing. So this is the time for the mother to teach her what is going to happen, what are the changes that happen in her body when she enters the adolescent period. So that becomes extremely important, that she is going to start menstruation. Her body changes, she can increase in her height, weight, there can be development of breasts, or there can be hair development in underarms, lower abdomen. All these things show that she is going to become a proper adult female. Like the mother, she is also growing up. So these things are very important, and a similar way as is taught to the boy, about the gender equality, sexual abuse has to be taught to her. What is appropriate behavior? What is right touch? What is good touch? What is bad touch? How she has to handle her body, protect her body, and she should not allow any outsiders, whatever it is, whether it is from inside or from outside, should not allow other person to touch her body, especially the covered parts of the body. It may be breasts or it may be genital organs. And if such a thing happens, or if she feels uncomfortable, she has to come and report to the mother. So she should recognize that there can be sexual abuse. So teaching about sexual abuse, protection from sexual abuse, appropriate behavior with the other children, with the other gender, everything comes at this age. The socially appropriate behavior, the sexual behavior, and the feelings, all these things slowly start developing in her mind.